welcome back to my channel. My name is Tangela and I do thank you for tuning in today. Today's video is going to be a wig review. The wig that I am wearing, it is called the Cutie collection wig, and the color, the item number is Ct144, and this is the stock card right here. I did use a razor comb to cut down the sides and a little in the back to give it more of a layered look. It was just a little bit too long for me. I wanted to sit right here on my shoulders, so that's what I did, and I inserted a clip so you can see how the length was before I cut it. This unit is curling iron safe up to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. I think this is a nice everyday wig. It's nice and full. It has a lot of body. This is a synthetic wig that I purchased from my local beauty supply store. I'm going to give you a angle look on how it looks on me. So let's get into the video.